Good afternoon to those who listen. It is March 25th, 2018, 5:47 p.m. The little disc was there. Alright, I'm at the lowest setting, brightness. If I go up even a little, look at how bright it looks. That's -2, -3. And it's flashing at -3. I cannot control it. What's going on? Those patterns. Those are those. Looks like those ball patterns. Those formations. Why is it flashing? What just happened? There's the blue, dark blue LED lights. Going up in brightness a little. Jeez. How does it light up like that? Not sure what I'm seeing here. Just want to say happy Palm Sunday to everyone out there. Hopefully everybody's... What in the world? I'm on the lowest setting. I cannot mess with it anymore. Get the brightness. It should not be flashing. Look at the way it's flashing though. Is it that bright where it's doing this? Come on. It doesn't matter if I... Yeah, maybe if I go... Weird. Wow. Now I wish I could go down on the brightness. Jeez, how can it be that bright? Watch what happens if I throw it. Oh no, don't. Hold on. Let's see if this thing is breaking down. I cannot believe it's flashing that much. And there's something over to the right side there. Are we getting an eclipse of some kind? It's definitely strange. Alright, I'm going to go up. There's default level. Really? There's -1, -2, -3. Well, now it looks like it's forming back into its roundness. Ouch. I accidentally looked at it. I was trying to look around it. I'm going out to see what else is going on in the big picture of things. I don't know what I'm looking at, but it doesn't look normal. Is there something there? There's an object right there. Maybe just the light of it. What the? Look at the way how it's just reforming. Look at the size now. Whoa! What the heck? It's getting engulfed. What in the world? There's those blue, dark blue LED lights. It's kind of windy. What in the world? Look at that thing. What the heck? Oh my. I'm not sure. Is there something in that blackness next to it to the right side? I hope everybody's having a good day. I don't even know how to There's, I want to do a video later. This is weird. Okay, now I'm going to brighten it up. There's default. Now that this thing is -1. What? Going down to -2. Might as well go down to -3. It's getting bright again. Look how bright that thing is. Come on. I'm going to go up and down just to see if it goes back there. It's as low as it goes. What's that? And I'm pretty much zoomed in almost all the way. Like 7/8 of the way. Go back. That's about half. What's that below? Oh my god. Really? Oh. What is it? If it's moving, it's going to pass through. Okay. My next video, I'm going to do a lot more thanking you guys for subscribing. Thanks for watching and everything. And I just want to say thank you to Jesus. Today was a good day. I'm getting a lot of new subscribers and new watchers, and I just thank God that, you know, the YouTube community is what it is, and I thank God for bringing you here to see these videos, to see these evidence of the signs in the sun and the stars and the moon. But whenever I'm filming, I always forget what I want to say, so I have to like write it all down or I'll forget. But I just want to encourage everybody to keep seeking Jesus. You know, if you don't believe in Jesus or you don't believe in religion, you know, that's your choice. But if you can see the signs that's in the Bible coming true in front of your eyes, maybe you will turn to Jesus. That's what happened to me. I mean, I've believed for a long time, but I find what is that? Is that a... What in the world? Oh my God. I just pray that Jesus will reveal things to us so we can prepare for His coming. And a lot of times when I do prayers and I'm talking, I believe that God really does reveal things while I'm talking. Sorry, it's really getting windy and cold. I'm trying not to shake. Shivering a little. Where's that thing? There it comes. All right. I wish, see, I can't see with my naked eye. It's too bright. There's too much brightness around it. What is that? Oh my God. If that's something, thank you, Lord Jesus, for revealing it. I kind of keep my eye on it. There's something else now. I really do think we are seeing more and more signs, and I really believe we are getting really, really close. So please don't put off accepting Jesus into your life. What is that? What is that? It's hard for me to see, so you know, if it's a cloud, that's a really funky cloud. I don't know. It looks... I'm not sure. There's something else. What is going on? Oh my. But I really appreciate all the people that do believe in Jesus coming here. And what? I'm seeing objects. Are these solid objects? I can't tell. Or are these just clouds? It really looks strange for if they're just clouds. Goodness sakes. What is that? I gotta see if I can see that with my naked eye. Nope. It's too bright. What is that? Good Lord. But I really think that we need to really examine our lives, examine what's going on. What is that now? Going on with the signs in the weather, the signs in the sky, the sign with whatever's happening with Planet X system coming closer. The sun simulator's a part of it. I don't know what exactly part it is. I mean, I know it's hiding objects, and I believe it's making up light from our sun that is probably dimming. What's that up there now? I'm going to brighten it just for the top part up there. Whatever that thing is up there. I think we can still see it. I'm going back down. Checking the heat. Sorry. You know what? Thanks. I'm going to end this video and I'm going to start a new one. Jesus, look at that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'll be right back. I'm going to literally stop and start. God bless.